and welcome to another episode of Snacks, where we are going to be trying out today the Zappos Big Cheesy kettle cooked chips. So, going on an adventure with my friend Stan, which owns a vending company, I'm finding out that there's a lot of new stuff you can find just going to your standard vending machine. So, I'm trying these out today. I've never had them, so here we go. These Zappos potato chip company, and they're big cheesy. I love their voodoo chips. So, there's the Zappos, and there's the big cheesy. Look how cheesy that is. Man, that man, nice crunchy kettle cooked chip, and man, the cheese just pops. That's really good. So there you go. If you're out and about and you find the Zappos Big Cheesies, I highly recommend them. And just have a blessed day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Whoop!